In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install LibreOffice on your computer, laptop, or PC. LibreOffice is a free open-source office suite that lets you create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more, similar to other paid Office programs. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if you're not very technical, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type LibreOffice.org and press Enter. This will take you to the official LibreOffice website, which is the safest place to download the software. Once the site loads, look for the Download section on the home page. Usually, you'll see a large download button that automatically detects your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Make sure it shows the correct system for your computer. If it doesn't, there is usually a link nearby to choose a different version manually. Click on the main download button to start downloading the installer. Your browser will now begin downloading the LibreOffice installation file. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, because it's a fairly large program. While it's downloading, avoid closing your browser. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder, or click the file directly from your browser's Downloads bar. Now, run the installer file. On Windows, it will usually be a file ending in .msi or .exe. If you see a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is normal for software installation. The LibreOffice Setup Wizard will open. Follow the on-screen instructions. For most people, choosing the typical or standard installation option is best, as it automatically selects the recommended components. If you're an advanced user, you can choose Custom, but it's not necessary for basic use. Choose the installation location if you want to change it, or just keep the default folder and continue. Click Install and wait while the files are copied to your computer. This can take a few minutes. When the process finishes, click Finish to close the installer. Now, look on your desktop or in your Start menu for the LibreOffice icon and click it to open the program. You're now ready to start using LibreOffice for your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations.